Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Google Pay on your iPhone. Google Pay is a digital wallet that allows you to make payments online and in stores using your iPhone. To get started, you will need to download the Google Pay app from the App Store. First, open the App Store and search for Google Pay. Click the Get button to download and install the app. Once the app is installed, open it and sign in with your Google account. If you do not have a Google account, you can create one from within the app. Next, you will need to add a payment method to your Google Pay account. You can do this by clicking the Add Payment Method button and following the prompts. You can add a credit or debit card, and you will need to verify your card details to complete the process. To add a card, you will need to enter your card number, expiration date, and security code. You may also be asked to verify your identity using a one-time password sent to your phone or email. Once your card is added, you can use it to make payments using Google Pay. To make a payment in a store, open the Google Pay app and select the card you want to use. You can then hold your iPhone near the contactless payment terminal to complete the transaction. You may be asked to authenticate the payment using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. You can also use Google Pay to make online payments. When you are checking out online, look for the Google Pay button and click it to complete the payment. You will be asked to select the card you want to use and authenticate the payment. In addition to making payments, Google Pay also allows you to send and receive money. You can do this by clicking the Send or Request button and following the prompts. You can send money to anyone with a Google Pay account, and you can also request money from friends and family. To keep your Google Pay account secure, make sure to use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication. You should also monitor your account activity regularly and report any suspicious transactions to Google. In conclusion, Google Pay is a convenient and secure way to make payments using your iPhone. By following these steps, you can set up Google Pay and start making payments in stores and online. Remember to keep your account secure and monitor your activity regularly to ensure a safe and convenient payment experience.